Cybersecurity risks refer to potential threats and vulnerabilities in digital systems. These risks can lead to unauthorized access, data breaches, financial losses, and reputational damage. It is crucial for individuals and organizations to understand and mitigate these risks. Malware, such as viruses and ransomware, can infect systems and steal sensitive information. Phishing attacks use deceptive emails or messages to trick users into revealing personal information. DDoS attacks overwhelm a system with traffic, causing it to become unavailable to legitimate users. Social engineering tactics manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information. Attackers may impersonate trusted entities or use psychological manipulation to exploit human vulnerabilities. Training employees to recognize social engineering techniques is essential for mitigating these risks. Insider threats come from individuals within an organization who misuse their access to harm the system. These threats can be intentional, such as disgruntled employees, or unintentional, like employees falling for phishing scams. Implementing access controls and monitoring user activities can help detect and prevent insider threats. Data breaches involve unauthorized access to sensitive information, leading to potential misuse or exposure. Breached data can include personal, financial, or proprietary information, causing significant harm to individuals and organizations. Encrypting data, implementing access controls, and regular security audits can help prevent data breaches. Internet of Things, IoT, devices, such as smart home appliances and wearable technology, are vulnerable to cyber attacks. Weak security measures in IoT devices can compromise user privacy and lead to unauthorized access to networks. Securing IoT devices with strong passwords, regular updates, and network segmentation is crucial to mitigate these risks. Cloud computing offers flexibility and scalability but introduces new security challenges. Data breaches, misconfigured cloud settings, and shared infrastructure vulnerabilities are common cloud security risks. Encrypting data, implementing access controls, and monitoring cloud environments can enhance cloud security. Mobile devices are susceptible to malware, phishing attacks, and data theft due to their portability and connectivity. Unsecured Wi-Fi networks, malicious apps, and device theft are common mobile security risks. Enforcing strong passwords, using encryption, and enabling remote wipe capabilities can help protect mobile devices. Supply chain attacks target third-party vendors to infiltrate a primary organization's network. Attackers exploit vulnerabilities in the supply chain to gain access to sensitive data or disrupt operations. Assessing and monitoring the security practices of third-party vendors is crucial to mitigating supply chain security risks. AI-powered attacks leverage machine learning algorithms to bypass traditional security defenses. Quantum computing poses a potential threat to current encryption methods by enabling faster decryption. Deepfakes use artificial intelligence to create realistic but fabricated content, leading to misinformation and social engineering risks. Regulatory requirements, such as GDPR and HIPAA, mandate organizations to protect personal data and maintain cybersecurity. Non-compliance with regulations can result in fines, legal consequences, and reputational damage. Establishing robust cybersecurity policies and procedures ensures compliance and reduces regulatory risks. Educating employees and users about cybersecurity best practices reduces the risk of falling victim to cyber attacks. Training programs should cover topics such as password security, phishing awareness, and data protection. Continuous training and simulated phishing exercises help reinforce cybersecurity awareness and behavior. Developing an incident response plan outlines procedures for detecting, responding to, and recovering from cybersecurity incidents. The plan should include roles and responsibilities, communication protocols, and steps for containing and mitigating the incident. Regularly testing and updating the incident response plan ensures readiness to handle cybersecurity incidents effectively. Regularly applying security patches and updates to software and systems prevents known vulnerabilities from being exploited. Patch management processes should prioritize critical vulnerabilities and ensure timely deployment across all devices and systems. Automated patch management tools streamline the patching process and help maintain a secure environment. Multi-factor authentication, MFA, adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide multiple forms of verification to access accounts. MFA methods include passwords, biometrics, security tokens, or mobile authentication apps. Implementing MFA reduces the risk of unauthorized access and enhances overall account security. Network segmentation divides a network into separate zones to limit the spread of cyber attacks and contain breaches. Segmented networks restrict access based on user roles, applications, or data sensitivity levels. Implementing network segmentation enhances security by isolating critical assets and reducing the attack surface. Data encryption converts sensitive information into unreadable ciphertext, protecting it from unauthorized access. Encrypting data at rest, in transit, and in storage safeguards confidentiality and integrity. Strong encryption algorithms and key management practices ensure secure data protection against cyber threats. Data encryption converts sensitive information into unreadable ciphertext, protecting it from unauthorized access. Encrypting data at rest, in transit, and in storage safeguards confidentiality and integrity. Strong encryption algorithms and key management practices ensure secure data protection against cyber threats. Data encryption converts sensitive information into unreadable ciphertext, protecting it from unauthorized access. Encrypting data at rest, in transit, and in storage safeguards confidentiality and integrity. Strong encryption algorithms and key management practices ensure secure data protection against cyber threats. Data encryption converts sensitive information into unreadable ciphertext, protecting it from unauthorized access. Encrypting data at rest, in transit, and in storage safeguards confidentiality and integrity. Strong encryption algorithms and key management practices ensure secure data protection against cyber threats.